welcome to our channel. Today we see how to change Atlas Copco air compressor setting for regulation. Go to your setting option, click on regulation. You can see here set point 1 7 bar, indirect stop level 7.5 bar. Then click on modify, again click on modify, and you can change your set point. I set here 6.5 bar. You also change your indirect stop level and direct stop level. Exit it. Now our Atlas Copco in off condition. Set point is 6.5 bar, indirect stop level is 70 bar, and direct stop level is 7.5 bar. If you want to change as you are required, you can change and modify it. Now we run our Atlas Copco compressor. Starting now in standby mode, then after start check and get a load. Now our Atlas Copco compressor getting a 6.5 bar as I required to my output for purpose. Please subscribe and share guys. Thank you.